If you want to open a PDF file on iPhone 17, then ideally you probably want to use the Preview app, which should be pre-installed, and you should be able to find it in the app library, for example. So let's take a look over here. And in here we can find the library, of course. We can go to Recents, Shared, and Browse, and you can try to find your document, your PDF document that you want to open. In my case, I have mine over here. As you can see, I can just easily open it. Now, if you have it, for example, on iCloud or just generally on your iPhone, then you should be able to just locate it using the app. You can also do the same thing with the Files app, which actually redirects you to the Preview app if you open the PDF file. So for example, over here, as you can see, I do have a PDF document over here, and if I try to open it, I will be redirected to the Preview app. And you can also open pretty much any PDF file using the Safari browser. If you happen to find any PDF document on the internet, you should be able to just straight up open it in the browser without any issues, and you can preview it like this. And if you want to save it, for example, of course, we can use the share button at the bottom of the screen, and over here you can choose to, for example, save to files. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.